Georgia's back now, and Georgia, more rain on the way tomorrow.
There will be for the whole weekend, a nice excuse to stay indoors and stay safe. It won't be quite as cold as it was today though, thank goodness. Overnight we got down to a low of 7.7 degrees, then we barely climbed any higher. The warmest it got all day was 10. Even then it didn't feel it with the cloud cover and cool winds. The most it felt all day was 7 degrees. Right now it's reading 8, but it only feels like 6, and the humidity is high with plenty of precipitation still in the air, the cold front bringing a fair bit of drizzly rain throughout the day. There were more showers further out of Melbourne. Moorabbin had 12 mils since 9 a.m. this morning, while Fawkner felt the brunt of the westerly airstream with gusts of 60 kilometres an hour. Temperature-wise, it was cold right across the board. The warmest probably in Geelong, Laverton and Essendon. Look at Frankston, it didn't get more than 8 degrees all day. Across our state, there was significant rainfall overnight as that strong cold front swept through. Wilson's Prom copped 30 mils overnight, then a further 20 mils today. Temperatures were chilly too. The maximums were a few degrees below the July average, while the minimums were. The maximums were actually about average. The highest was 16 degrees at Mildura, while Falls Creek only deviated from -3 overnight to -2 today. Around the rest of the country, that cold front and rain band we felt in Victoria extended across much of the east coast. Sydney got to 18 degrees, Adelaide 9 to 14. Tomorrow, number of troughs in the southeast of the country will bring gusty showers to South Australia, Victoria and Tasmania. Darwin will be sunny 22 to 23, can you even imagine? Sydney will be sunny and 16 after just a few possible early morning showers. While Canberra is beating even us on the cold front, 2 to 11 degrees there tomorrow. Across our state tomorrow, there'll be local morning fog and frost over the north, small hail possible in the east. Then a chilly day with minimums mostly between 1 and 4, maximums 12 to 15. Snow will fall above 800 metres overnight, when Falls Creek and Mount Hotham will be -5, then rising to 1,500 metres during the day. It'll be a windy day too, strong wind warning for the Gippsland Lake Central Coast and Central Gippsland Coast, a gale warning for East Gippsland Coast. Around Melbourne, cool again, but a little warmer than today. Most areas expecting 13 or 14. It'll be cold overnight though, the warmest down by the bay. And while there will be showers across the day, there'll be patches of morning sun too, so not all too grey and dreary. The bays will be a bit moody too, thanks to that unstable airstream. Westerly 25-knot winds will tend south-southwesterly down to 20 knots throughout the day. For our city tomorrow, a few showers, but they should be most significant in the early morning. A cooler night than last night, though. We'll get down to 6 degrees. It'll climb a bit higher today, expecting a top of 14. And showers will continue for a few more days still. Sunday not too dissimilar to tomorrow. Just a few showers, 9 to 13. Wet Monday and Tuesday, but then it will dry up for the rest of the week. Thursday looking like the pick of the bunch, Jen.
Wonderful. Thank you, Georgia. That's 10 News First for this Friday. I'll have updates through the evening. The project is coming up next, but for now, from the team, good night.